Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about bicycle saddles, an issue that I had recently with this VTB saddle. So the problem was that the rails had a bit of play and it was a bit annoying, and it can be even unsafe in some cases if the play is really serious. So what I did was to just add this feel with this thing from the supermarket that I got. It's called Hay Clay. It is sold in Europe in the Lidl stores, and it's pretty much the same thing as that thing called Sugru, except that it's not like a glue. It can be used like a filler, and it will actually it feels like a clay. So I have here a couple of them. They come in different colors. Each bag of this contains one of this, and in random colors. I also had a white version, so I just put it here inside. So in this case the rails had play backward and forward. So when you would move like this, it would move, the rails would just move forward and backward. So what I did was to add this this thing here. I just put it here with the screwdriver and some Q-tips. I just removed this part with the hex key, and what happens is that this clay will just harden up after a day or so. You can just leave it in open air, and it will actually become like this. It will actually, you can actually make a ball out of it, or a cube, but in my opinion you're just wasting it, because rather keep it in cases like this when you need to feel something, instead of using like a silicone tube or something. You can just use this one, because it will expand a bit, and in this case there will be no more play. Even too, if you're serious about it, you can just get rid of the saddle and get one that has the rails in a proper condition with no play whatsoever. So this is an idea on how to fix this issue. Another thing, you should definitely not use super glue on the contact points, because super glue will just crack in because of your weight. When you're gonna sit on the saddle, you will put a lot of pressure, and even the rails and these plastics they might crack in contact with super glue, and you will completely waste the saddle. So you need to use something like this, or some kind of glue also that acts like a filler, like this clay. Maybe it's called I think it's called Poxypol or something. It as I said, it also looks like some sort of clay. Or in this case, if you can find something like this, you can just use it. As I said, it's being sold at Lidl in all over Europe. Probably you can find something similar also in the US. Other than that, there is pretty much nothing you can do if the rails have play. You can't really, I don't know, use a plier to just stretch them forward or backward. This is solid steel, and probably it's not even safe to do that. Overall, after doing all of this, the saddle is in great condition. It has no play and it's just like new, and it would have been a shame to just throw it away just because of the rails having play. So I hope that I gave you some ideas with this video. Also, if you have something like this, the hay clay from Lidl, I would just keep the bags and maybe use them for something useful, not just make toys like this, because I have a cat, and even after a day, she's not interested in these toys anymore. So just keep them, and maybe they might come useful. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.